Good morning, guys. Today's video is going to be about cuttings. Not all cuttings are equal. Just a quick shout out to my youngest daughter. She drew the sign for me on the chalkboard. So cute. She did it as a surprise. I came home and she was just doing all the beautiful flowers. So she did a great job. Anyways, guys, back to the cuttings. I want to talk to you guys about some cuttings. So this cutting I had gotten from CSG, and I got it in June. I think it was in the middle of June. And then so I made an arrangement with it, and it was there forever. And till recently, a few days ago, it was all wrinkly, very shriveled up, and it didn't have any roots at all. Even the bottom of the stem was very, very dry. So I decided to do water therapy inside my house by the window. And look at how much roots I got. This is within days. Obviously, the long roots, I'm talking about seeing a little bit of roots happen within days. I was like, wow, that's amazing. So all this time I was waiting for roots, and finally I decided to do water therapy and I got these roots. That was pretty cool. So now let's talk about this one. This one is different, and this one has more water, right? It carries more water than this plant, so you would think it would have rooted on its own. And this one I just threw on top of my microwave with nothing, with no water. Just as you see it, I just laid it in my microwave and then I forgot about it. And I cut it like a few days ago. I want to say maybe like around 4 to 5 days ago I cut it. And I looked at it and I see roots. So that's pretty quick. So all succulents are not the same. So I just wanted to do this quick video. If you're trying to root a succulent and it's not working, try to put it in a clear container with some water at the base. So I had some water like that. And some leaves were in there and it was just fine. And I come to check and it was rooting. I was like, wow, that's awesome. And I'm still leaving it in there until they fully, all the wrinkles go away. Not for any particular reason, just because I want to. I just want it to look nice and fat before I plant it. But it's doing so well in the water. I'm so excited. So that was pretty cool. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.